Is it worth it? That's why we're here today in Gaithersburg, just off of Summit Avenue, to try to find out. We're here to take a look at this townhome right behind me. They are asking $460,000. It is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it does have a pretty nice backyard. So let's go take a look at this thing and see, is it worth it? Outside, got that Dutch Colonial look, which just means that you got the shingles on top there. Let's go look at the inside. Pretty nice main level. It's kind of dirty in here. These floors are a little jacked up. You got family room, dining room. Here's the utility closet. So this is your sprinkler system, main water line, and of course water heater. And let's see if we can find an age here. 06 it looks like. So that thing's 20 years old. The lines look good, but I would definitely plan to replace that. Into the kitchen. Pretty space. Stone countertops, pantry. And it looks like they got a little radiator type system here. And the powder room. Let's step out back and take a look out here. It's like a little oasis back here. It's a really big backyard, especially for a townhome too. Got your hangout space and then yard space. Nice big hot tub. Little fire pit. Shed. It does back up to an apartment building though. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Oh, they got solar on this thing too. More than likely it is leased, but it does have solar. There's the HVAC. Let's see if we can find anything on here. No, I'm not thinking we're gonna get to that today. Really? That's not good. Main level, it's okay. Let's head upstairs and see what else we can find. Now level 2 is actually the larger family room area. Got a wood fireplace, wood floors. Seem to be in decent shape. The safety rail has seen better days. Probably just needs a paint job, but. Then we got washer and dryer in here. HVAC here, of course. Let's see if we can find an age off of this. If I'm guessing correctly, that's going to be a 07 or a 06. What in the world is this? The water shutoffs. And bedroom number 1. Decent size. Updated windows. Big walk-in closet. And we saw one of these downstairs as well. Looks like a heater of some sort. And full bathroom 1. Good size, clean. Space for a dual vanity if you really wanted one. And let's head up one more level. We have a lot of wasted space with this two-story family room, but it's kind of nice. It's very open, lots of natural light. Another closet. And bedroom 2 looks to be very similar to just a mirror of the one below it. And you got this closet here. And you still have the same size walk-in. Well, not as big, but similar. And full bath number 2. I really like that paint job on the cabinetry. It's cool looking. And this one's a tub shower. What in the Ray Charles? Who the heck put that on there? That is some serious caulking. Now, I don't claim to be a woodworker or even an installer for that matter, but this is bad. Oh, look. That's all wood filler. Goodness. If I can spot little things like that, where are the big things that are just as jacked up? What did you think of Sprig Street? I don't know. For $460,000, only a 2-bedroom, backs up to some apartments, really not a lot of privacy. Some features in the house are pretty cool. I'm not seeing it. What are your thoughts? Drop them down below.